If you wanna try me, think twice. If you wanna warm me up, you gon' be up all night. Thought he had me, but he lost me. Damn right, you gotta be a real one to come and catch his vibe.
Okay, so listen here. For side 1, we're doing Crimson from Kiss Temptation and Orange Blaze from Adore. Now, obviously, you want to part your wig straight down the middle, but Miss Wiggy right here is a little dry, a little stiff, a little destitute. So what we're gonna do is spray her with a little water. You know, give her a little motion, make her mobile. So obviously, I don't really have to tell y'all how to part. Hopefully, you know how to part in a straight line. If you do not, I don't know what to tell you. So yeah, y'all gonna sit here and watch me part this little wig down the middle. And when you get your part, you want to clip that hair, because otherwise you're gonna get dye all over the place on that other side. So you don't want to drench your wig, but make sure it's manageable. Because, honey, I had that wig in a little wig bag for a little minute, so she was a little stiff. And you want to part in small sections. You don't necessarily have to do it track by track, but that will help, especially if you're not used to dyeing hair by applying it with a brush, because I'm sure not. This is actually my first time doing this, because normally I'm a watercolor method type of girl, you know. So I want to start with the Crimson first and then ombre it into the Orange Blaze. So I'm going to comb through the hair just a little bit so I can make sure that the color takes evenly, because if it's tangled in some places, it's going to look patchy. Now, it's up to you how far down you want to go with the ombre. I think I did maybe like an inch and a half or so with the red. And make sure you do it on both sides so all of the hair is covered with the dye. Because once again, you do not want your color to be looking patchy out here. And when you're satisfied with the roots, you're going to go in with the second color. Now, you can blend the colors with the brush, but as you can see, I'm going to do it with my fingers, because I'm tired of folks having this color block. If you want it to ombre and be a good gradient of color, you have to blend the colors, please. Whatever you do, blend them colors. And you're just going to go through and do this for all the rest of the sections. But be better than me and not get the color all over the hair with these gloves on. So the next colors for the roots on the other side, I'm taking blue Moonlight and then Azure for the lighter color. And then you're just going to use the same technique as you did on the other side, but just make sure you clip the right side so that it doesn't touch the left side, because the colors will bleed into each other. So this is what the two sides look like completed. I let it sit overnight, and then we're going to come back in and condition it. Now first you want to rinse the two sides separately, and where I messed up at was, I don't know who told me to rinse this out with like warm hot water, because that red color rinses out so easy. So please don't be like me. Rinse it out with lukewarm to cool water, because you're going to see in a second it's going to be so much red that comes out. So I had to quickly change that water temperature. But other than that, very simple. Just put the conditioner in the hair, work it through the hair, and then rinse it out. Do not shampoo it, condition it, because it's going to make the hair soft and it's going to, do what conditioner does. So right here, I should have rinsed the two sides separately for longer, because you're going to see later the red got a little bit on the blue side, so it's going to turn the ends like a real light purple. It wasn't bad though, but it's just something to note when you're doing like a split ombre wig on both sides. Keep the sides separated for as long as you can while you're rinsing it, so while some of the color is rinsing out, it won't blend into each other. So this is what it looked like dry. And at the bottom, you can kind of see what I was saying. It kind of got a little bit purple. But it wasn't bad. I still liked it. It's really cute. And I'm probably going to cut bangs in it later. But just catch the shine on this. Like, I love this so freaking much. And of course, you already know what I did to it. I had to put a little curl in her, because that's the only way I really wear my wigs, to be quite honest with you. Just look at that. Masterpiece. Picasso. Come on now. Stop playing with me. And then to add fuel to the fire, I had to make the press-ons to match with the wig. Come on. Had to get the car video with the bang and the glasses with the frameless. And then I got to hit y'all with the pictures. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and keep it saucy.
Hit it with a jab, no hook. Quick left, right hook. If you're talking about a legend in the making, bitch, write my name in the books. On the come up, number one stunner. Put your bid in, cause I'ma run it. Money green, keep the blue 100. Set the pace, no ace, I'ma run it.